There are two ways to make a responsive table: manually using HTML and CSS, or by using plugins. Here's how to do it with CSS. As you can see, this is a basic HTML table, nothing fancy. The first thing I want to do is add a class to this table. In this case, I called it responsive. Next, add the class to your style sheet. This is the CSS code that I'm using, which is available in the blog post linked in the video description. Be sure to adjust the max width to choose the screen size for the breakpoint. This code places the table within a scrollable window. This option works fine for those who choose to use HTML and CSS, but if you want a much easier and faster way, then you can use a plugin. So let's check out some different options. Number 1, TablePress. This is one of the most popular table plugins with over 500,000 active installs. Out of the box, it actually isn't responsive. Fortunately, there's an easy solution. Responsive Tables for TablePress is a $9 premium extension that changes the display modes of a table, allowing you to display in flip, scroll, and collapse based on the type of screen your readers are using. The real advantage in this plugin is the flip mode. This mode allows you to specify a breakpoint by choosing a device. Number 2, EZTable. With this plugin, you place your data as a CSV file within table tags, and it's then converted into a table automatically. When displayed within a responsive window, the table becomes scrollable. It has a lot of adjustable parameters to control the formatting. Number 3, Table Maker. This plugin is a table creation tool that lets you choose between stacking the rows or the columns. The tables are created separately and placed within your content using shortcodes. Number 4, Magic Liquidiser Responsive Table. This plugin doesn't build tables. Instead, it works with all HTML tables and lets you set the breakpoint where your tables change formats. You can specify the tables by using classes or IDs, or use it globally by using the default table setting. Number 5, Automatic Responsive Tables. Rather than giving you the tools to create tables, this one works with HTML tables you've already created and makes them responsive. You can either create a CSS class to use on any table you want, or activate the settings for all tables. And finally, number 6, Data Tables Generator. This plugin is a table creator that is responsive by default, featuring 3 responsive modes to choose from. It'll even perform calculations like a spreadsheet and display charts. It's probably the most powerful plugin on this list, so you should definitely check it out. And there you go. Now you know how to create responsive tables in WordPress. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.